Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to use Canva's free AI video generator in 2025. There is a new feature that lets you turn simple text into a full video. In just a few clicks, I'm going to show you how to get this done. Alright, so let's get right into it. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and if you do not understand anything, do well to drop a comment. Alright guys, so getting back into the action. Open up your browser. I'm going to be using canva.com as the website of interest for today's tutorial. So once you're on Canva, simply log in, make sure you have an account on Canva, either a free account or a pro account, but I would recommend having Canva Pro as some features are still exclusive to Canva Pro accounts. Alright guys, so once you've logged in with your created account, what do you do next? On the home section, just head over from templates to Canva AI. Click on Canva AI here, and then select the option to create a video clip, and then you can now select the style you want. It's a drop down, so you could go with any style from cinematic to photorealistic to a 3D render, animated, or cartoon. So go with this option, and then under the 8 seconds or the timing or the duration, just select 8 seconds. And then for framing, you can select what kind of frame you want, whether it's a wide shot or a POV. I'm just going to leave it blank. And then for the lighting style, you can select any one from golden hour to hard lighting. Now, once you're done with this, just go ahead and describe what you want. So I went with this option of creating a 30-second video, but seeing as it can't go more than 8 seconds. So I'm just going to tell it to create a video about healthy morning routines with upbeat music and bright visuals, and now click on send. Now this is actually a pro feature. You're going to need to have Canva Pro in order to access this feature. So it's going to take some time to generate the video, and I'm going to show you the output of this video. All right, so the video has been successfully put together, but I would like to add to it that you should be specific about the tone, style, and elements. What do I mean? The tone should be either a cinematic tone, an animated video, or a professional kind of video, or a fun video. Just try to give the AI as much direction as possible into what you're looking to create, and then try to generate it. All right, so once it's done, once it's actually done creating, you could simply download this, and you could as well open the video to play it. All right, so it's going to automatically save as an MP4 video file. So let's just go ahead and save this. And then you could change the lighting and some other things, or you could just play the video itself. You could just play it. I am not sure if you could change some of the elements in the video, but this is what it sounds like. And this is what it looks like. Now, you can simply edit most of the videos by clicking on the Use Canva editor. So click on Use Canva editor, and it's going to open the video into kind of like a draft where you can edit it. You can change the clips, you can change the images used by switching them out with yours. Let the Canva editor open, and I'll show you how to do it. All right, so with the Canva editor opened, you can now edit parts of the clip. You can trim it down to less than 8 seconds. You could extract the audio. You could enhance the voice, but this is a pro feature as well. If you highlight it, you could add comments. You could delete it. You could remove the background, which is still a pro feature, and you could change the background color. So these are the little things you could do. You could change the background color from whatever it is to another kind of color. And then you could add, more pages to it by adding your own clips. You could upload your own images onto this little video here. You could just work around with it. You can even add text on top of it by hovering above the text and clicking on add a text box. So you could simply add a text onto the video, trying to make it into yours. And then for the vocals, I don't know if you could add your vocal. I don't know if you could add your voice here. I'm not certain you can do that, but you should be able to extract the audio. That's the only thing I'm seeing here. And now, once you're done, Okay, so there's some other things you could do, like adding audio to your clip. You could add audio by clicking on the audio here, and you can add audio from other videos onto your clip. And you could, like I said, you could add your own images, you could fade it, you could slip, you could delete the audio as well. And you could also record your own voice and, add it to the video. Or you could as well use the Canva text to speech AI option to simply include your voice. That's the generate the AI voice or record the voice over yourself and simply add it to the video. All right, guys. So you can enhance the video more by using the animate option. You could add more filters, motion effects, just to make it engaging. Add text overlays like I did. Add subtitles and a call to action if you're making a YouTube video or TikTok. All right, guys. So that's how you can easily go about this. When you're done, simply click on the share at the top right, click on download, and a fair warning, if you're looking to download in a higher quality than 1080p, you're going to need to have Canva Premium applied to your video in order to take it up to 4K Ultra or at most 2K or 1080p. And then click on download. All right, guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.